Mga kababayan, mga amigos, amigas, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. At happy New Year sa ating lahat mga kababayan. At nawa ang 2026 ay maging pagpapala sa bawat isa sa tulong ng ating mahal na Panginoon Jesucristo mga kababayan. At mga kababayan, miss ko na rin po kayo. At ang ating pag-usapan ngayon ay isang mainit-init pa na balita mga kababayan, at ito ay siguro napanood nyo na rin o narinig nyo na rin sa mga balobalita mga kababayan. Itong isang dating Major General na si Poke ay hinuli mga kababayan sa kasong sedition mga kababayan. Bakit kamo mga kababayan? At pakinggan natin ang kanyang interview mga kababayan ng mga nakaraang buwan na nagrarally noon. Pakinggan po natin ang kanyang sinasabi, pero wag ko lang po mga kababayan kasi baka makapiright ako. Pakinggan lang po natin ito mga kababayan. Ito.
You're absolutely right. Of course, voicing your frustration is very much your right, and calling on the president to resign is also your right. But where it gets a bit dangerous is, the officials want to charge you with inciting to sedition. Allegedly, there are calls, there are
1 month ago yan mga kababayan.
The AFP to
Yan
withdraw
po
their
siya,
support
si General
for the
Pupis.
president.
Yeah.
Is that true that you've been doing that?
Yeah, we're voicing our legitimate grievances. If they view it as inciting to sedition, we do not view it as inciting to sedition or rebellion. We're just, ordinary citizens trying to voice out our frustrations and our anger, our rage on this corruption in government.
Is it true that you have tried asking or talking to General Romeo Browner and tried to convince him to withdraw support for the administration?
I did that, but that is all for him. That it's like saying you resign or you Marcos resign. That is his option, whether he accepts the suggestion or not. So it's all up to him. We're not inciting armed rebellion or inciting people to take up arms. Those are inciting to sedition rebellion. But what we're saying is Marcos resign and withdraw support are not.
General, just to confirm, medyo nag-choppy po ng konti and we want to be absolutely sure we heard you correctly. Did you speak to General Browner even before no September rally or any point since then? No or yes?
The core group of the United People's Initiative talked with General Browner in September 20. That's before our September 21 rally here at Gate 4 in Maguinaldo. But we never talked about him withdrawing support. Then we were only pressing to him the sentiments of the people, of the soldiers, and the common people. Nothing sort of that. But this time, with the disclosures of, Saltico, and on the night of the rally, here comes Senator Amy Marcos, detailing the drug addiction of the president, and the people, we cannot anymore control the people to express their, the outrage and their call for Marcos to resign, the president to resign, and for the
Kayo po ba mga kababayan, maniwala ba kayo sa kanyang mga statement, lalo na sa sinabi niyang drug addiction ng ating presidente? Para hindi ka naman sundalo, para hindi ka naman nag-aral, para hindi ka naman pinaaral sa PMA General. Sinabi ng kanyang kapatid na adik ang ating presidente. Ganyan bang ang asal ng isang taong adik? Ha, General? Para hindi ka naman nag-aral, hindi ka nag-aral ng narcotics ba? Ano klase itong General, no? Sasabihin ng kanyang kapatid na adik ang ating mahal na Pangulo. Yung adik sa mental hospital o nasa rehab center, General, for your information. Okay, pakinggan natin ito mga kababayan. Kung ano-ano mang pinangsasabi.
Forces to, go with the people and, possibly withdraw support.
At isa pa mga kababayan, ang sinasabi niya na ang ating mga kababayan dahil sa flood control nga sa korupsyon. Galit sila. Bakit ang panahon ni Duterte hindi kayo nagagalit sa mga flood control projects niya? Marami nga ghost project. Siya nga mismo ang nagsabi niya yung DPWH siya ay number 1 na corrupt. O bakit hindi ka nagagalit? Dahil nasa poder ka pa. General ka pa nung panahon ni Duterte. Ngayon nang nag-retire ka, ganyan na ang aasal mo. O, pakinggan natin ulit mga kababayan.
Actually, General, sorry, this time around you did ask General Browner to withdraw support.
Yes, during our rally, last night.
Tama?
So you said it on stage, ganun po ba nangyari, General Pocis? Like, or did you talk to him obviously not face to face, right? Just making a
No,
general call.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anong sa tingin mo? Walang isip? Walang intelihente si General Brunel na kausapin ng ganun? Di ba mga kababayan, mga kapaps, mga amigos, amigas? Parang gusto mo lang na hindi nag-aral si General Brunel? Kaya dito, mga ito.
So,
Go ahead, Pawi. Has a question for you.
Yeah, actually, General, kasi nung meeting na yun back in September, no, you said that the nature of that meeting wasn't really to ask the AFP to withdraw support, but rather for them to be more vocal and to not just release mga press release, ano. But in your opinion, how can the AFP be more vocal about this corruption issue?
yeah, because one of the generals, senior officers, released a press statement that they abhor the corruption and they are with the people in their outrage against this massive corruption in the government. What I was saying to General Braun is that perhaps if the armed forces can issue a more stern or stronger message, whereby the armed forces will not just issue press statements or press releases, but also make verbal, declarations,
Puro ka nga lang yun,
that they hate the corruption and corruption must stop.
What's next for you guys, General Pocis? The third day of the rally was not permitted by the QCDPOS because of supposedly seditious or inciting to sedition messaging. What's next for you guys? And have your other, fellow...
So, yun talaga mga kababayan. Talagang nag-aano siya na naghihikayat sa mga active military personnel at sa mga generals na mga retired generals. At pakinggan din natin ito mga kababayan. Tingnan din natin ang kanyang pagkahuli sa Terminal 3 mga kababayan.
Was arrested at the Ninoy International Airport over an inciting to sedition charge. Pocis was arrested following his arrival from Thailand around 8 a.m. and was brought to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group headquarters in Camp Crame, Quezon City. Pocis is the convener of the United People's Initiative, a group of retired military officers that has called for President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to step down amid the corruption scandal. In a press briefing at Camp Crame, Acting Philippine National Police Chief Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. said a warrant for Pocis's arrest was issued on December 5. Asked whether the arrest signaled a crackdown on anti-administration sentiments among retired uniformed personnel, Nartates says the arrest was not personal.
Kababayan, may warrant of arrest December 5 pa. Ayun, inabangan na siya sa Terminal 3 mga kababayan. So dapat dito masuspindi na ang kanyang tinatanggap na pensyon sa sundalo at hindi sa tularan ng iba mga kababayan. At ang iyan ang sinasabing sa sobra mong kayabangan, sa sobra mong bagang mataas ng sarili mo, akala mo sobra ka ng magaling, sobra. Yan na, at isa pa siyan ang sinasabi mga kababayan, no one is above the law. Hindi kasi kayo makapaghantay ng 2028 ang gusto nyong presidente. Dapat maghantay-hantay kayo 2028, malapit na 2 taon. Kaya ngayon di kulong ka na, inciting to the sedition, mga kababayan. So yan ang sinasabi na the president is weak pero tahimik gumagawa mga kababayan. Yan ang sinasabi yung weak leader pero back in his mind iba ang tumatakbo, mga kababayan. So maraming salamat sa ating mga PNP na naghuli kay General Pukis na sobrang kayabangan, at sana masuspend na ang kanyang pensyon para hindi tularan ng mga iba pang mga generals dyan na hindi kontento at hindi nabigyan ng posisyon sa gobyerno, kaya gusto nilang alisin ang ating mahal na Pangulo. Kaya maraming salamat, mahal na Pangulo, 10 na inyong mga kasamahan dyan sa executive branch at sa DO at sa ating katastasan na hukuman. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating mahal na Pangulo. Kaya mga kababayan, God bless us all. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Please like and share sa ating maliit na video.